Gentlemen, today we're going to be looking at these hydrangea cuttings that were taken 6-7 weeks ago. As you can see, they're looking healthy. I actually made a mistake. I used some compost that I'd already treated with some fertiliser, so normally they wouldn't be as lush and as green as this, but they've taken well. Well, I'm hoping they have anyway. So get this set up. Get it there, so that is looks. My nice stool, £8 from an antiques market a few years ago. It was all white, and now it's all right. Lovely stool. I think it's a milking stool. So get this set up. Yeah, these hydrangeas for these sort of plants be £20 a plant. So let's just have a look to see if there's any roots at the bottom. Yeah, if you can see this, you'll see just there, just starting to come through. Let's look at the other one. None coming through on that one. Just, yeah, starting to come through on that one as well. So if you can see there, just there and there. Look at this one. This was the smallest one out of all. I actually took 5. I can't see any roots coming out of that one. I took 5 cuttings, but because I took the other one out a couple of times, I brought the roots off, it ended up rotting. So, right. Let's just open this one, shall we? See what surprise we've got in store. Hopefully, plenty of nice roots. I'm hoping anyway. I've got the hose pipe just to wash any soil off if I've got roots. There we go. So, look at that there. Yes, result. Nice little worm in there. Don't want to come out, but yeah. Just see there. I shall just get the hose pipe on it. So you can see. Get this worm out, put it on some soil. Yeah, they're happy with that. Give it a good. As you can see, this is 6 to 7 weeks. Really good root growth there. See at the end where it's hardened off, forms a callus, and then it's rooting away nicely. So yeah, this is sending out some nice little side shoots there and there. I shall repot this. I shall get the other one that I can see roots on. Which one is it? I think it's this one. I've looked at this one as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, result. This one as well. Some nice roots on this one. You can feel it because when you empty them, you can feel the weight. But yeah, I've had these on the kitchen windowsill. It's north facing, so it's out with the sun, and I've had him on a little heat mat at 25 degrees. I've had it set, so it's kept it at that temperature, and these have rooted really well. So yeah, I'll have some nice hydrangeas next year. Well, in a few years I'll be selling these. I think these are $19.99 per plant. So I got this off a neighbour that moved out. Unfortunately he died, so I took these before anybody moved in. Yeah, well pleased with them. So yeah, if you want to know how to take hydrangea cuttings, please watch my first video. If you're on Facebook, please give me a like. If you're on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Everybody keep safe. Thank you for watching. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you. Bye.